Discovering devices and configuring their network, identification and maintenance settings are vital first steps in commissioning any automation component setup. SIMATIC AX streamlines this process in an IT-minded approach. Let's dive in. Friendly reminder, as with all other use cases in SIMATIC AX, you'll need to install an appropriate tool for the task. This can be done either through the editor's UI extensions or by using the command line interface. Once installed, it is immediately ready for your operations. To discover an Ethernet device, simply scan your operating system for available network adapters. Choose the one that is physically or virtually connected to your machine components. The scan will then list all accessible devices along with their available information. To visually identify specific physical or virtual devices, you can command a simple LED blinking frequency on those devices, utilizing their MAC addresses for communication. Once the desired device has been successfully visually identified, it's time to set it up to your liking. This typically involves assigning an Ethernet IP address, which will serve as its unique address in the network. Any communication service will then be able to connect. You can double-check the success by scanning the network as often as needed. Nevertheless, devices are much easier to recognize with meaningful names, so the tool also allows you to set device names. Simply adjust your commands and repeat the workflow until every device is set up. Thanks to these crucial connectivity setups, your devices are now ready to receive hardware configurations and programs for automation tasks. Of course, all these tasks can also be performed by alternative network analyzer software, such as the freely available ProNeta. ProNeta provides a UI-friendly user experience and additionally allows to visualize advanced topology and diagnostics.